This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below. It is clear from the above pleadings that in 1990 the state government resolved to resort to special recruitment to the Haryana Civil Service within bracket executive branch, invoking the proviso 2 Rule 5 of the rules pursuant thereto. It issued the notifications dated December 20, 1990. The names of the candidates were forwarded by the state government to the HPSC for selection. The HPSC commenced the selection process and interviewed certain candidates. In the meantime, on account of an undertaking given by the Advocate General to the High Court at the hearing of CWP number 1201 of 1991 and allied writ petitions, the state government was required to forward the names of the candidate belonging to 2 other departments of the state government. Before it could do so, the new government came into power and it reviewed the decision of the earlier government and found the criteria evolved by the earlier government unacceptable and also noticed certain infirmities in the matter of forwarding the names of eligible candidates. It therefore resolved to rescind the earlier notifications of December 20, 1990 and January 25, 1991. It will thus be seen that at the time when the writ petition which has given rise to the present proceedings was filed, the state government had withdrawn the aforesaid 2 notifications by the notification dated December 30, 1991. The stage at which the last mentioned notification came to be issued was the stage when the HPSC was still in the process of selecting candidates for appointment by special recruitment. During the pendency of the present proceedings, the state government finalized the criteria for special recruitment by the notification of March 9, 1992. Thus, the HPSC was still in the process of selecting candidates and had yet not completed and finalized the select list, nor had it forwarded the same to the state government for implementation. The candidates therefore did not have any right to appointment. There was therefore no question of the High Court granting a mandamus or any other writ of the type sought by the appellants. The law in this behalf appears to be well settled. In the state of Haryana versus Subhash Chandra and others, 1974, SCC 165, this court held that the mere fact that certain candidates were selected for appointment to vacancies pursuant to an advertisement did not confer any right to be appointed to the post in question to entitle the selectees to a writ of mandamus or any other writ compelling the authority to make the appointment. In that case, an advertisement was issued stating that there were 50 vacancies in the Haryana Civil Service Judicial Branch. An examination was held by the HPSC and 40 candidates passed by the said examination with the required minimum 45% marks. Their names were published in the Government Gazette. The state government, the appointing authority, made 7 appointments out of the said list in the order of merit. Respondents who ranked 8, 9 and 13 respectively in that list did not get an appointment, although there were vacancies.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.